Omukoro gwo kurahiza mukuru w'entebe ya katano hamwe n'abakansala be aba district ya Rwampara gubira mbuga nkuru za district age.
I, Twetise Abbott, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will at all times well and truly serve the district.
Womugasharaganise kusia abantu obuhereza no kurwanisa oburwenguzi nkomananga gwa President Museveni okuguri.
I, Womugasho Richard Beine, swear in the name of Almighty God that I shall faithfully exercise the function of the chairperson of Rwampara District
Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. And everything you do, you write, you have to put what I would call the chairman's seal, which is the stamp of the office of the district chairperson.
Me, I hate corruption. I want to support the president. We fight corruption in Rwampara. Kisanja akuna slip. The Kisanja taro kujiraksta, taro kubyama. We must go and work. Work for our families. Work for our people. Yes, Sanja, I was coming here every day, Mr. Cow. Every day I would be here. People would ask, why is Richard coming every day to Rwampara? They need you kora. Nkarahira kora abanyarwanda.
Abbott Twetise n'watorirwe nka speaker w'ishenjero ya district ya Rwampara kana warahizibwe.
Twakazamu njyangu n'abantu opposite kandi cyo nisimira mukama atina bugaricyo. Ebintu bishate binkwemereraho nyondi yo muntu omwe urukurunda n'abantu. Kozi kansarazo wabareka bakataho gap aha executive na gap aha members of parliament bakataho gap aha technocrats no wa chiferwa chona.
Ambassador Francis Butajira n'wabe ari mujenyi mukuru kandi hinentande yakomera bebembeza basi.
Now to the councillors and chairman, when you were swearing, you were handed over somebody, you were handed Constitution, Local Government Act. I want you to familiarize yourself with those documents. Please internalize them, because those are the ones which will guide you in your deliberations. Sometimes you have rifts between the councillors and the executive. The chairman and the executive, and then the council. Who is the boss? Now that is a very useless question to ask. You are all bosses.
Abantu kwatanisa district zitu nzabaje. District senunji nizo zikombe kihangarunji. Okwatanisa kwa kuriya district ya Rwampara rizoba nukoreka urugendo rutwatandika. Rutwaza kutandika hamwe no kwatanisa.
Ikindi kitwasha bikinasho mujiri mukuru yakikiriza cyo kugira ngo twani kuri tukabembezi abantu abakuru bakirinje bitwa Rwampara bagire body yo kutwabura turika kumutwarwana twavuga batwabura so icyo nacyo zakora cyaba.
We need to have a better district. We need to clear everything you have ever heard of on Rwampara. This time around, I hope Rwampara will shine.
Kwanga ko kumutaba disappoint nyino mtsanja cyo kubanza nimba hamzangu no bunarahizubwa obunarahira ngazo mtsanja cya kabiri nimba hamzangu ninzagumza mbaje kiri kurunja abanyandija
tamweki nka president okwagambire ebintu bya corruption bibe zero.
Omugandi abasingira Karum district y'Rwanda erizuba nibwo baterebera biro byabo kandi baraganisa kutereza ibyobuhereza.
I Navma Kasfana Basiye, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance.
Okorahiro ku kabakormo vibe nyingi kandi kwakorwa hambuga nkuru za district aho governor Abbott Mayanja yarahizibwa nka mukuru wa district na ba kansala no barahira.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda,
The supreme law of the Ugandan land, Constitution.
habaho kutora na speaker w'ishenjero rya district y'Ibanda.
Our focus will be one, to fight against corruption. I have always said so, but you have always disappointed me. Whatever I say, the public and some people here disappoint me.
Auto akoba tshobezine umbugambo no mukarura harmuki nimbashaba kusasirana oba wampakaruru oba tu wampakaruru umutima gwanje gurumwere tinyine nshunga no muntu wena atampakaruru
bakanza no bwanyuma yo kutera birahiro bahamiza abantu okuba rukuza kubasyaho obuhereza.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda.
Abo kuba nimbaraganisa kubakora ngo kunabiri nimbaraganisa omukuronda karuru mukama nkwasi ndebeke ngo ibintu byo twabishikiriza
kandi nimbaraganisa kwatanisa nimwe korentu ngukayiti yachichuzi ahabwe ruziwe bituyine.
Aha TV West in Susan Chelsea na Timothy Mushabe.
Swear in the name of Almighty God